Location near Edgerton, moving east at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Eastern Madison, Fitchburg, Whitewater, Stoughton, Fort Atkinson, Oregon, Jefferson, McFarland, Monona, Lake Mills, Edgerton, Cottage Grove, Johnson Creek, Deerfield, Palmyra, Cambridge, Brooklyn, Lake Ripley, Lake Koshkonong, and Saxonia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is the NOAA Weather Radio KEC 6.